Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the spawn machine in Escape Tsunami for brain rots. So if you want to upgrade your brain rot collection, this is the ultimate guide on how you can use the machines in the Escape Tsunami. From basic rolls to the new level divine recipes, I've got you covered. So to use the spawn machine, you can deposit brain rots up to 3 brain rots. So you can just go to your home base, or you can go to your backpack and choose a brain rot that you want to craft. So for example, I'm going to use this one, and you can just bring it to the machines, deposit it first, and then you can add more than one. So I'm going to add another one in here, this one. I'm going to deposit it and try to craft this two, or you can also add another one here. Let's see, I'm going to add one more from my home base. I'm going to add maybe this Tigro Ligre Frutoni. Okay, let's add it. Now you can craft it for a certain cast, or the cast or the cost might be different, depends on the brain rots that you add. So let's craft it, click on yes, and after that you'll get a new brain rot. So I got the Garama and Madundung in Emerald mutated brain rots. So you can place it to your home base. And that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.